Alrighty folks, well I don't think I quite showed you guys the inside of this, but that 2160 fan bearings are out. I try to go break the bolts loose and I gotta rig up a tool. So I'm gonna be using a welder, but I decided I'm gonna do a cold start on the Challenger. It hasn't been started for a little while, so I kind of want to do a cold start on it. I mean, gotta see how it starts in the cold, right? I showed a guy this Challenger yesterday, and he kind of crapped his pants. You kind of gotta slam the door a little hard. Wait for the glow plugs to go out. And then after this video, I'm going to connect my phone to the radio with my phone charging cord that I got right now. Oh, guys, it doesn't even smoke. God. Has 861 hours. Wow. Where's the headlights in this thing? Whoa. I don't like them. I need a light bar up top. Let's go outside and hear how quiet it is. I gotta figure out how to lock this seat, because that's gonna drive me nuts. Oh, she's got a little smoke. Well, guys, you know, I'm talking normal voice over this tractor. She got a little smoke coming out, but god dang, wow. I think I figured out how to lock the seat. I locked it. Proud of myself. But yeah, I love this tractor already. No! That's the only thing I hate. Because you gotta slam, and I mean slam that door shut. It sounds so weird in the cab. Whoa. Holy crap. Guys. Well, that sucks. I don't know really how to use that. Oh, that could be why. 76, shut her off. Well, look cold there. It doesn't have diesel fumes because it's got DEF. Oh, guys, I love this tractor. Alright, that's enough. Guys, you have no clue how happy I am to have this tractor around here. There's like no grease works on it. Favorite part, because I'm the grease monkey. And I'm also a mechanic. The only thing is, I know I'm a little young to be saying this, but on our other tractors, we used to throw our beer cans behind the seat. Pop cans, beer cans, pop bottles. But now, we gotta throw them up front. That are just throw them out the window. Wait, what window? We only got a door. But yeah, I love this tractor, guys, and I'll upload this video. The last one was long as crap, and it took forever to upload. And all I want to say is, guys, please comment and let me know what you guys want to see around here. I might make a video of this hell that I'm about ready to do on that tractor up front of me, that scoop tractor, and I know I'm in coveralls because it's cold. But I might try to make a video on it. My buddy's going to come out tonight after work. He gets out at 10, so he's going to come out, help me And we'll see if we can get it done tonight, because that's our feeding tractor. I can't have that fan going zinc or zinc or zinc, zinc, zinc. Either way, if that fan ends up going, it's going to be a freaking nightmare. It's going to tear up a lot of crap. Later, y'all.